Hey everybody, this is Larry, this is Miko with Q3 of the weekly contest 398. Sum of digit differences of all pairs. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. So this one I actually got very quickly in about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. The idea is, well, the first idea is that the digit doesn't matter, right? Or, let me rephrase it. Because they all have the same digit. Actually, it doesn't matter that what the number is, right? So you could do it one digit at a time is what I'm trying to say. But for example, you could do the ones digit. In this case, you can break this down to you know, you can say 13, 23, 12, but you can also just convert this to 1, 2, 1 and 3, 3, 2, right? And that's all the things you need. And yeah, and the idea here is that for every one, you just count the number of different pairs before that, right? So here for 1, there's no other pairs before that, it's fine. 2, there's one number before that, so there's one number. And then this 1 has one number before that as well, right? So that's basically the idea. And if you have more numbers, and now that we could look at it digit by digit, because you just sum up the difference per digit anyway, you can look at it by digit. And this is actually, I mean, I did it in a more general way, but you can actually simplify this as well. But let's say you have something like this, then here 5, we see that there's 3 different digits, so that here, that's going to be, so this is +1, this is +1, this is +3. The 9, we see 4 different non-9 numbers, so that is 4. The 5, we see 4 non-5 numbers, so this is +4. And then the 7 sees 6 non-7 numbers, so this is just, and then you just sum it up. This is what, like 19 or something, right? And then that's the idea, and this is my code to implement that, is that for each number, for each digit, I kind of wrote this in a funky way, but for each digit, I add the count, and then I guess I wrote this in a really weird way, because yeah. So actually, I could have done this, and then I don't need a C plus 1. But C is just the count of total. Oh, it's still going on in my virtual contest. Just submit real quick. Yeah, right. So this is a little bit cleaner, but this is C is the number of previous, is the index of X, but also when think of it another way, is the count of number of previous numbers that we've seen. And for this digit, for the ith digit, we've seen K whatever times. So this is, we just add basically literally all the numbers that are not in this same position, and then we increment it because now we saw one. And then at the end, we just return total. So where's the complexity here? Well, let's say D is the number of digits. You can say that is log base 10 of the max digit. D times N, this is going to be all of D times N, right? I mean, you see the two things here. And of course, also, yeah, you also see this here, right? For space, this has D of these, there's 10 of this, so it's going to be D times 10, where 10, or you could say alpha for the size of the alphabet. In this case, the size of the alphabet is from 0 to 9, which is 10 digits. So you could say the space is all of A times D, or alpha times D. And yeah, let me write it down. I think I should. Time is going to be O of N times D, where D is the number of digits. And then space is going to be O of alpha times D, where alpha is the size of the alphabet. 10 digits, or 10, or base 10 in this case, right? So yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and you could watch me solve it live during the contest now. Fine, maybe it's good. I'm so not confident about this. Okay, that one is so easy to get off by once. All right, Q3, sum of digit differences of all pairs consist of positive integers where all integers have the same numbers, consist of where integers have the same number of digits. The digit difference between two integers is the count of different. This is so hard to read. The digit differences between two integers is the count of different digits that are the same position. Return the sum of the what is who is smoking this file? All right. Okay, I see. Okay, so this is an n square thing, but you have n to the 5th. I mean, that's not that. This is pretty standard, right? Yeah. I don't want to do it. So then now we have f. So then now it is it is not. Something like this. Well, that's probably not right. Why is 0 minus? Well, yeah, okay. Yeah, this is +1. No silly mistake, please. Find a number of ways to reach the cave. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem, this review, everything in between. Stay good, stay happy. Yeah, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.